Absolutely. I had, it's great to not only network with people outside of the industry, but networking with people inside of the industry as well. Because just this morning, I had someone reach out to me about I'm still in the like question asking phase, but it sounds like they need either a duet or a dual narration, and they're asking me about sourcing a male narrator. And so, as someone in the industry that knows a lot of male narrators, I could reach out to several, for this person because it's a little different for me because I'm a face on YouTube and I know a lot of people at this point, but go out and meet these people because you never know when someone's going to recommend you as a counterpart or, recommend you for something. There's been a lot of times where I maybe wasn't suited for a role, but I knew someone else that could be, and I could refer the client to that person.